Hi, lovers of realistic miniatures! We present a new collection of doll shoes. The most fashionable boots, sandals, boots this season. Let's see how it's done. We cut off part of the narrow ball and carefully put the stocking on the doll's leg. We cover it with a very thick layer of hot glue. After hardening, we carefully cut the boot and remove the ball from it. We cut off the boot top to the desired height. We cover it with yellow varnish. We draw miniature polka dots and decorate them with sequins and a canticle. Funny boots! We put a rubber sock on the leg and cover it with a thick layer of glue. We glue the foam paper plate to the sole and remove the ball. We carefully cut the sole along the contour and level the top. We paint it with varnish and a white strip of rhinestones, and paint the sole with silver. Cute Ugg boots! Barbie doesn't want to take them off. We circle the Barbie's foot and cut out the insole. We glue the top of the shoe and carefully fix the backdrop. We try on and glue the sole of black foam paper. Fabulous ballet flats! We put a sock on the doll's leg and make a blank of new shoes. We paint it with pink varnish. Tint the heel first with lilac and then with turquoise flowers. We carefully take it off the leg and align the top. We draw a thin canticle and add a black lacing. We build up the sole with a layer of glue and paint it white. Unbelievable! Miniature Nike sneakers are so realistic. Barbie put on new sneakers and ran to the workout. They are so fast. We circle the doll's leg on the foam paper plate and cut out the insole. We carefully glue the sparkling sock and make a fitting. Then we make a black sole of foam paper. We add the ears, eyes, nose. The dog's muscle is done. Funny slippers. We attach a ball chain to the foam paper sole. We wrap it exactly according to the doll's leg size. We smear the sole well with glue and attach a piece of thick felt. We cut it out along the contour and fasten the lines of the chains with a rhinestone. We make yellow ballet flats. We add a lilac sole and trim it. We fasten a miniature pink bow. Shining! We cut out and connect the white insole and sole. We add a pink sock, fix the side part, and press it well. We put the tongue inside. We do a fashionable gold lacing. We trim the sole with a white stripe. We decorate it with a rhinestone. Doll shoes are ready for a walk. We put rubber socks on Barbie's legs. We put a layer of transparent varnish exactly according to the shape of the shoe. Then we cover it with a thick layer of pink varnish. We make a stiletto heel from a toothpick. We fasten the heels, cover the entire shoe with varnish again, and smear the heel well. We rub dry shoes with sequins. We carefully remove the shoes. We remove the rubber sock and align it along the contour. We try on high-heeled shoes. They are so elegant. They are just like the real ones. We make miniature Crocs from the sole, a perforated sock, and a strap. We carefully glue them together and add black accessories. Now we can walk through puddles. We make lace-up shoes from white and lemon yellow foam paper. We glue a sock, a sidewall, a tongue, and lacing with pearls to the sole. We prepare the LED and attach it to the sole. Along the contour of the sole, we glue a perforated strip, a platform. We trim the edging and the color of the laces. We glue the outer sole. We attach the wiring from the diode to the battery. Barbie has realistic glowing sneakers. It's just a miracle. We cut off the cylinder from the wide tube and open it. We carefully cut out the curly detail. These are the future jumper straps for the new doll shoes. We put the blank on an elegant leg, insert and glue the pink sole, and add a second black layer. We decorate it with sparkling rhinestones. The miniature sandals are done. Aren't they pretty? We glue the snow white sole to the blue foam paper. We cut it out along the contour with an allowance. We glue a shiny detail in the form of an elongated bracket along the allowance line. We attach 3 sparkling strips to the silver sole and braid them with a pigtail. We fix the tip of the braid and connect it with a white plate. We cut it out along the contour. We decorate the sidewall of the sole with a sparkling strip and press the edges well. Barbie is very happy with the new thing. The blue sliders are wonderful. We carefully glue strips of narrow braid to the golden sole. 1, 2, 3. Let's try it on. We build up the platform and decorate it with a golden stripe. We glue the sun crystals and admire the golden clogs. We attach silver and blue straps to the lilac sole. We glue the ankle strap. We fasten the lilac ring with the front straps. The miniature sandals are wonderful. We draw the soles. On the sides near the fingers, we outline and carefully cut holes. We insert the shiny ribbons into the slots and tighten them a little. Let's try it on. We fix the ends of the tape with glue. We add the second layer of the sole. We cut it out along the contour. We decorate the sidewall of the sole with rhinestones. We got miniature sliders. Now we can go to the sea. We wrap the doll's leg in a thin film and make a boot from a thick layer of hot glue. We carefully cut the workpiece and remove it from the leg. We align the shoe top. We make the sole. We cut 2 layers of felt and cut it out exactly along the contour of the doll's foot. We attach a heel and glue around it with sparkling foam paper. We cover the shoes with a dense layer of silver blue gel. We glue an elegant silver canticle along the sole. We add a wide fur edge. We attach the overlays and the blade of the skate. We decorate the shoes with lacing and a silver star. The skates are very realistic and slide well on the ice. We bend the 2 cardboard soles slightly. We cover it with shiny adhesive paper and carefully cut it along the contour. We glue a jumper to the sole exactly according to the doll's leg size. We tie the golden lace with a loop. We glue one end, try it on again, and fasten the strap. We cover the end of the workpiece with hot glue, wrap it with glitter paper, and press it well. We carefully cut off the excess paper. We glue a layer of foam paper to the platform and carefully align it. Barbie tries on wonderful sandals. Beautiful! We glue 2 plates of white foam paper. We trace the elegant doll's foot and carefully cut it out according to the drawn contour. In turn, we glue the finished parts of the shoes decorated with pink edging to the sole, the back, and the tongue. We trim the sole with a white stripe and attach funny ears and a flower. We try on super fashionable moccasins. Barbie is delighted with the new things. The miniature doll shoes for any weather. Boots, sneakers, boots, sandals, shoes, ballet flats, clogs, sneakers, slippers. and even skates. Did you like it?